Welcome back to our member highlight series. Today we have Lara here with us. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Lara Rosomian. I am the co-chair of the Public Health Committee of DataPoint Armenia. I recently graduated from UC Berkeley, where I majored in integrative biology, and in the fall I'll be attending Harvard University pursuing a master's degree in reproductive, perinatal, and pediatric epidemiology.
And so what's your role in DataPoint Armenia?
So I am the Public Health Committee co-chair along with Michael Abbasian, and that's my main role in DataPoint Armenia.
What opportunities do you see in Armenia with developing data-driven public health research?
There are so many opportunities in Armenia to kind of develop the field of data science and data research in general. And I think public health is inherently data-based, which I think is what drew me to DataPoint Armenia in the first place.
You have conducted research in Armenia. Can you tell us more about that research and just elaborate on what you did?
I was working with the Women's Resource Center Armenia, which has a lot of connections in neighboring provinces as well. So in Armenia, in Yerevan, we were able to connect with a lot of different clinicians and doctors that were either involved in the Women's Resource Center, or the women who worked at the Resource Center had a network with them, etc. So that's kind of how I came in touch with the professionals that I was interviewing. And then in terms of women, it was either women who would come to the Women's Resource Center and I would recruit them just from being there and talking to them, or it was a way that we kind of disseminated the survey through a network, either via email or via social network, with people who were involved with the Women's Resource Center.
So with the data that you gathered, how did you analyze this?
So the survey was created through Qualtrics, at least the online version was, and then the text versions, the paper versions were kind of transmitted into there as well. And the Qualtrics software has a little bit of built-in data analysis tools, which is really helpful for analyzing survey-based results. So those were mostly analyzed internally with the tools that they have and presented with different tables and frequencies and figures. And then sub-analyses of all of those indicators were done using different chi-squared tests for independence. So that was the main statistical test that we used for sub-analyses, and that was for the quantitative data.
Coming to an end, tell us one fun fact about yourself.
So one fun fact about myself is that I also do theater and acting. So I actually studied theater at UC Berkeley. I had a minor in theater, so I have a little bit of acting experience under my belt.